So the other day, I went to a male's public bathroom, and when I went into the cubicle, guess what I saw? Pee in the toilet seat. And I was like, ew! And I changed to another cubicle, and guess what I saw again? Pee on the toilet seat. And you know, I just had enough. Because that is not the first time I saw pee on the male toilet seat. And then I thought to myself, man, I gotta talk about this in my video. What is up, my friends? Welcome back to Your Average Gent. My name is Evan. Today I have a little bit of an unusual video. I feel like I need to address this, right? Because nobody else is talking about this. The bathroom is something that all of us use every day, and how we use the bathroom is also a reflection of our manners. And as a gentleman, there are some bathroom etiquettes that we have to follow. And some are quite common sense actually. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the 3 bathroom etiquettes that all gentlemen gotta follow. Without further ado, the first thing that a gentleman should follow is that a gentleman should never ever pee on the toilet seat. I can't believe I still have to say it, but come on guys, we are all civilized people. If you accidentally peed on the toilet seat, which I think most of us have done it before, at least care to wipe it off so that the next person who's gonna use it will have a clean toilet seat. And sure, you may think that nobody's gonna find out who peed on the toilet seat, but a gentleman always do what is right, even when nobody's watching. And if I ever catch someone who comes out of the toilet cubicle and the toilet seat is wet, I'm gonna drag you back into the toilet cubicle and make sure that you wipe the toilet seat clean with your butt. I still can't believe that I have to say that. Anyway, I just want to put this out there and see how many of you have the similar experience. Let me know down in the comment section below. Speaking of peeing, let's go on to etiquette number 2, which is a gentleman should never stand right next to another gentleman when using the urinal, unless it is the only urinal left and you're super urgent. It is like an unwritten rule of using the urinals in the men's bathroom. If there are lots of urinals, you just don't stand right next to another person when you pee. Unless you are peeing with a friend or whatever, always leave at least one urinal between you and the other person when you pee. That is just an unwritten rule. For example, if there are 3 urinals in the bathroom and there's already one person using the one on the left, you should be using the one on the right and leave the one in the middle empty. If the one on the left and the right are both occupied, then it's like a checkmate. I would suggest try not to use the one in the middle. Go and use the cubicle if you can. Another reason why you shouldn't stand right next to the other person when you pee is to prevent getting splashed at by their pee, especially if the urinals are just so close to each other. So here's my super horrifying story in the bathroom. It's gonna get a little bit graphic, so please bear with me. It was last semester in school. One day I was just studying in the library and I went to pee with my friend. There are 3 urinals in the bathroom. I was using the one on the right and my friend was using the one on the left. And then this other guy, he came in and he stood right in between us and started peeing. And I don't even know if he has been holding on to his pee the entire day or what, but he used so much force that when his pee hits the urinal wall, it splashes right outside the urinal and onto my legs and just onto my shin. And instantly I was like, oh, yeah, I literally said, oh. And somehow the other person was still happily peeing, and it was like he's oblivious to what is going on. And his pee just kept splashing on my shin, and I turned and I looked at my friend and apparently he got splashed as well. And we're just giving each other the what the flying flip is this guy doing face. So I quickly finished my pee and wow, that was gross. And so I had to wash my legs. And the other guy didn't even apologize. It's like he didn't even know what happened. I was traumatized for a little while, to be honest. Yep, so that happened. And that is why, as a gentleman, you should always leave one urinal between you and the other person when you pee. I still can't believe I'm talking about pee on my channel. If you are a girl and you're watching this video, yeah, that is sort of what's happening in men's bathroom. Please feel free to laugh at us. Last but not least, etiquette number 3. After washing your hands, a gentleman should never fling your hands to get rid of the water. Now, you can do this gently in the basin to get rid of some water, but a gentleman should never fling his hands all over the place like a kid. Not only does it look uncivilized, but you're splashing water onto other people, which is not very nice. It is super annoying when your face gets splashed by the water on other people's hands. A gentleman should always use the paper towel to dry his hands or use the hand dryer to dry his hands, but never fling his hands all over the place to dry his hands. And that is it for this week's video. It's not my usual video, but I just want to put it out there and see if any of you have a similar experience. If you have any bathroom horror stories, please let me know down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and as always, I will see you guys next week.